Hi guys, so I gathered some ribbons and trims and stuff to make a boho tassel, and if you want to watch you can see me put one together. So I'm just getting a few things I have here. I just have a couple of gold here, purple, this reddish color with some bits of something in it. I got this gold rope kind of material. I got two pieces of that, so I'll probably just put them in. I have this fun piece here, all these bright colors. I have this, and I cut this in half. These went together, you know, from Dollar Tree. A lot of you, I'm sure, have seen them. This is the purple and the blue, so I'll put that in there. And a little bit of red and some gold, some more gold. I think, you know, I already bound the journal. Remember I said, oh, I'm going to put this in. Yeah, well, I forgot it at work, and I was too impatient, so I said, no, I'll just use the regular thread. So see, I'll put a couple of pieces of this in there. And I'll probably throw a little bit more of this gold stuff because the cover is like a greenish gold. And all these colors are throughout the journal, but cover itself, I want to pick up more of the gold. Okay, that seems good to me. And now I want to take a piece of this. I just ruined it. I want to take a piece of this to tie it off. Hey, I don't know what, oh well, I have to go like that because I don't know where it is. Let me see. Oh, I think it's here. Yeah. Okay. Well, it's there when we need it. I'll cut a piece off. Okay. So I'm going to just use this key ring to put them all together. Alright. Punch it up in the middle. Maybe I'll just put it through this way. How did I even do it the last time? Do you guys remember? I don't remember how I did it. I'll just do it like this. There we go. These two pieces need to go back in. Okay, I'll tie it with the blue. Where's the piece I cut? Here it is. So guys, we were supposed to get a new wall unit AC for our living room. And they came yesterday and said, oh, it doesn't fit. Something about the sleeve. There was an issue. And the kid took pictures and, you know, brought it back to the store. And we went there to see what we could do. And they were like, oh, that fit in there. We don't know why he didn't do it. That can fit in there just fine. So now we have to wait. They're coming back next Friday. I took a day out of work for this. But I don't think I can get Friday off. Well, I can, but I'll probably just work. And my husband has that day off anyway. So I think he's just going to, you know, he'll stay here and wait for that. But of all days, like today, we could have really used it. It's so hot. But they're coming back, so that'll be good. Oh, this is taking me forever. Let me see. Put this down here. I don't remember the other one being this long, do you? My goodness. Alright, let me try to tighten this. I don't know, this doesn't look good. I might have to use regular string. No, it worked. It knotted up. Alright, this is what it looks like. Let me just trim it down. I didn't want it too long. I didn't want it too long, so let's see. Might have to pull some of these in tighter. I also want to add this bead, and I want to add these flowers to it. So hold on one second. Let me get my jump rings and we can do this. I'll be right back. All right. So I'm going to just get some jump rings and add these things to it. I'll use some bigger ones here. I love this. It's going to go so nice with it. Maybe I'll put one on either side. Oh, should I do it like that? I don't know. Let me see. I don't know. That's what it looks like. I think it's okay. I don't know. Maybe I should take this thing off and just have it. Yeah, maybe I'll do that. I can put this somewhere else. I have to use it though. It matches perfectly. So I'll put this on something else in there. Alright. Okay. Done. Or not. What just happened? What did I do? Now that one came off. Oh. Okay. Did anyone see what just happened? Alrighty. I'll just stick this back on. Actually, I don't like this clip. See if I could take this off. Yeah, I don't like that one. Okay. Even though that doesn't really match, but it matches the silver here, so I'm just going to do that. There we go. Oh, and the other jump ring's still on here. Okay, I'll take that one off. I think I should hang it. I know, I'm sorry guys. I don't like that now. Let me see if I can hang it to this. I think I like that better. There, that way it's hanging from this. I think I kind of like that better. Alright, done. Sorry to put you through all that. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I'll see you next time. Bye.